Hi everyone, and with this video I am actually going to show you with one of my favorite looks that is great for any season of the year. I have actually already washed my face and I put on my facial primer and my eye primer and also my foundation. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so first I'm going to use this beautiful little color here. I would love to hear on what you did this weekend. This weekend, my daughter actually had a horse show, and she's had this one horse for about a year and a half, and when we first got him, he was broke, but we weren't really sure on what he could and what he could not do. So, and my daughter, she's 16 and loves to work with and also train horses. So she's been working so hard with this horse for about a year and a half for barrels. And this weekend, isn't that pretty? Isn't that just, it's nice and shimmery, but it's not overbearing. Next I'm going to be using this color just right on my eyelid right here. But this weekend, they were both just absolutely amazing. She had her best ride on this horse, had the best clean run, because when about 6 months ago he was having some gait issues and also some rearing issues, and so it was just kind of a hot mess back then. But with my daughter being my daughter, she's about as stubborn as this horse, which is, I guess, a good thing, but as a mom it was terrifying. So next I'm going to be using this a little more of a darker shade, and I'm going to make a little V shape just right over here on my eye. But she's gotten so far with this horse and made her best run yet, and with the best time. And because it was a jackpot, she actually competed in both open, which means everybody can compete, and she was also in her youth area too. But because it was a jackpot, I knew it was her best time up with this horse yet. But she came out running and she's like, "Mom, I got third place!" And she actually won $34. So I was a proud mama this weekend. I was just so proud of her, and it was just, it was awesome. I loved it. Okay, now you see how I just worked in the corner of that? And then I use a different brush, and then I just blend it all in. I don't want any lines in there. Next, I'm going to do my blush. Now, I never used to wear blush just because I already had, I've already got with some redness on my face, but I didn't realize until I got older that all of a sudden I would look at pictures, I'm like, why am I as white as a sheet? And then I learned this where I was like, Ashley, you need to wear some blush in order to give yourself a little bit of color. So yeah, that was our weekend. And so yeah, we had a full day of racing, and it was just so much fun, and I was just so proud of her. And next I'm going to do my mascara. Now for mascara, I want more longer and more fuller looking lashes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of do a shake and a shimmy for a little bit longer lashes. I want to really I'm sorry, I'm kind of still, there we go. I want you to see what I'm doing, but hold on, let me do my mirror. Okay. You see just how I'm just kind of trying to wiggle it a little bit more? I'm gonna go on there. There we go. So, lastly is my lipstick. Now, what color do I want today? I'll do the Crush Berry today. This is a little bit of a brighter lipstick, but so there we go. So this is my Warm Metals look. It's very simple. It's only a few colors. So if you like this, let's give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear on with what you did this weekend. Make sure to hit subscribe for more simple, easy looks. Have a wonderful day.